what glue to glue on the back side of the mirror to be able to adhere to the dresser. Please use this generously, so you want to make sure that it doesn't slide or fall off. You'll do this for all of your drawers. Once you have glued the mirrors down, be sure to secure them with tape, or if you have molding, you can use clips. The drying is what takes the most time in this project. I allowed all of the mirrors to dry for 24 hours, so I completed this project in steps. So to add my diamond knobs, I measured each drawer to find the center, and then I used masking tape and a permanent marker to mark the center of each drawer. I ended up going back and used a long piece of masking tape to make sure that everything was centered in the same place. Then you'll take your E6000 glue to secure each knob on each drawer. I let the knobs dry for the same amount of time as the mirrors. Next, we're going to move on to the sides of the dresser. You're going to carefully flip over your dresser to its side. I would suggest having a blanket or something soft on the bottom of your dresser because you want to make sure that you do not crack your mirrors on the bottom. I learned the hard way. So listen to me and use something soft on the bottom so that when you turn your mirrors over, they do not crack. And if you have someone to help you, please utilize them. Here you'll also glue the back side of the mirror and put it on the side. I taped the drawers and the sides to secure them, as well as taping the back to the side of the mirror as well to secure it in place while it was drying. You'll do the same process for the other side of the dresser. And once that is completely dry, You'll flip it back over to the top and repeat the same process for the top of the dresser and allow that to dry. You are now done. Your mirror dresser is now complete and you have now created such a beautiful dresser. I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making this. I'm super excited about how it turned out, and I can't wait to see yours. So please share, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!